Somewhere lurking in your business right now is a spreadsheet that holds everything together. All it takes is for someone to accidentally click and drag a cell, to hit delete, or to move the file or change a formula, and that spreadsheet pretty much becomes useless, let alone if your computer crashes and then you lose all of the data anyway. This is not a worst case scenario. This sort of thing happens all of the time. Someone created a spreadsheet behind the scenes to circumvent the system, or in replacement of finding an actual system to do the heavy lifting of a particular task. Now that might work in the early days when you're trying to figure things out and you don't know whether or not you should invest more time and money, etc. But eventually that thing becomes so big that it takes 10 minutes to load because it's got so much information in it. Your business critical data lives on this spreadsheet and you have no idea how much money, data, time is getting lost because spreadsheets don't update themselves. There's no notification trigger, fields get input wrong, formulas get changed, and the data becomes unreliable. The next big problem is that there's usually one person who created this mammoth spreadsheet that knows how it works, and they move on. And now you've inherited this spreadsheet and you've got to try and continue to run the business and try to figure out how to fix the broken things to make the thing actually report or give you the information that you want. And when it stops working, people stop looking at the spreadsheet as the problem and start seeing you as the problem because you weren't able to fix it. The real fix is removing the spreadsheet from the process entirely. Building you a system of record. Now you might think, in the world of AI, why don't I just get that to do the spreadsheet for me? Well, the answer is AI makes up its own spreadsheet in the background. So you never have the same structure, you never have the same way of doing things, and you have no control method in the background to make sure that you have a system of record containing all of the information with audit logs and trails so that you know what happened when and who did it, etc. The way to fix it is to run a business diagnostic. Have a look at all of your systems and processes and identify what is hinging on a spreadsheet. Then we want to build a platform that replicates the function of the spreadsheet, and then start connecting up all of the sources that put information into the spreadsheet and creating validation rules and filters and things that prevent the information from getting corrupted. So this could be forms, it could be connecting it up to your emails, could have integrations, APIs, etc. But the key here is to make sure that the data is reliable. A better looking dashboard doesn't make your platform any better or your process any better if the data is actually crap to begin with. The moment you have a system in place, you are no longer waiting for that impending day when that laptop crashes, the hard drive freezes, and you lose all your data altogether. You also have the confidence to let other people work on the data because you have permission layers that prevent people from deleting things or editing things. So you control the data at all times. It also changes the conversation with management so that you don't look like the person who broke the spreadsheet. Instead, you look like the person who is working on the systems challenge to make sure that the business is scalable and saleable in the future. If you already know that there's a spreadsheet somewhere that's become a ticking time bomb, then we should have a chat. Let's do a business diagnostic and see what the breakpoint is. Link in the description.